Hi children, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with some new problems. Under the chapter Algebraic Identities. What is the name of the chapter? Algebraic Identities. Yesterday we have seen some algebraic identities. In continuation to our yesterday's lesson, today we read some more identities. This lesson is for your class 9th children. Okay, so your first identity reads like this. X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So you have to expand this. So what is x plus y whole cube? X plus y into x plus y into x plus y. Clear? So x plus y into x plus y is equal to x plus y whole square. What is x plus y into x plus y whole square? We know the formula for x plus y whole square. What is it? X square plus 2xy plus y square into x plus y. Clear? So now let us multiply with x this whole plus with y this whole. X into x square plus 2xy plus y square plus y into x square plus y square plus 2xy. Let us expand this. X into x square, x cube plus x into 2xy, 2x square y plus x into y square, xy square plus y into x square y plus y into y square, y cube plus y into 2xy, 2xy square. Clear? X cube plus y cube plus 2x square y plus x square y. That means 3x square y plus xy square plus 2xy square. That means 3xy square. Clear? So x cube plus y cube plus, from these two terms you have 3xy common. Take it. So your x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So this is one identity. X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Clear? Now let us check one more identity. What is it? X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Let us expand this. X minus y whole cube is equal to what? X minus y into x minus y into x minus y. So in place of x minus y into x minus y, we can write what? X minus y whole square into x minus y. And we know x minus y whole square is equal to what? X square minus 2xy plus y square into x minus y. So now let us expand this. X into x square minus 2xy plus y square, and this minus y into x square minus 2xy plus y square. So now let us multiply this by x. X into x square, x cube, minus 2xy into x, minus 2x square y, plus x into y square, xy square, minus y into x square, minus x square y, minus into minus, plus 2 into x y square, plus into minus, minus y into y square, y cube. Clear? X cube minus 2x square minus x square y. So minus 3x square y plus x square y plus 2xy square. xy square plus 2xy square. So plus 3xy square minus y cube. So from these two let us take 3xy common. X cube minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cube. So your x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cube. So we what? Expanded both x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube and derived two identities. So now let us check some more things. Now let us find the application of the identities what we learned. Here 2a plus b whole cube, you have to expand. So this is in the form of x plus y whole cube. So what is x plus y whole cube? Is equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. So here in place of x you have 2a, in place of y you have b. So 2a whole cube plus 3 into 2a into b into 2a plus b plus b cube. 2a whole cube means what? 8a cube plus 3 into 2, 6ab into 2a plus b plus b cube. That means if you expand this, if you expand what? 2a plus b whole cube, then what do you get? 8a cube plus 6ab into 2a plus b cube you get. Clear? So what we did, we didn't multiply. With the help of the identity, we found the answer. Now let us expand this. 2p minus 5 whole cube. So this is in the form of what? X minus y whole cube. This is in the form of x minus y whole cube. So what is the value of x minus y whole cube? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So here 2p is x, 5 is y. So here x is equal to 2p, or let 2p is equal to x and 5 is equal to y. Then what happens? 2p whole cube minus 5 whole cube minus 3 into 2p into 5 into 2p minus 5. So what is your 2p whole cube? 8p cube minus 5 cube means what? 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125 minus 3 into 2 6. 6 into 5 30p into 2p minus 5. If you expand this, 2p minus 5 whole cube, what you get? 3p cube minus 8p cube minus 125 minus 30p into 2p minus 5. Clear? Understood? So let us do these two sums with the help of what? The identities, what just we have seen. Find the value of 103 to the power of 3 or 103 cube. So we can write this 103 as 100 plus 3 whole cube. We can write 100 plus 3 whole cube. This is in the form of x plus y whole cube. What is your x plus y whole cube? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So in place of x take 100. In place of y take 3. So 100. So 100 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 into 100 into 3, because your y is 3, into x plus 3 means what? 100 plus 3. 100 cube means what? Here 2 zeros are there. 3 to the 6 zeros you have to keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 cube means what? 27. 3 into 100 into 3. That means 900 into 103. Clear? 900 into 103 means how much? 9 3 are 27, 2, 9, 2 zeros. So you have to add all these things. If you add this and this, how much you get? 92727. And you have to add this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. 9, 2, 7. 2, 7. Clear? 7, 2, 7, 2, 9, 1, 0. So this is the value of 103 whole cube. So 103 whole cube will be 1092727. Understood? So let us find the value of 99 whole cube. 99 whole cube means what? 100 minus 1 whole cube. This is in the form of a minus b whole cube. What is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube means 100 cube. Minus b cube means 1. Minus 3a means into 100. B means 1. A minus b means 100 minus 1. 100 cube means what? Here how many zeros are there? 2. You have to take one following 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1. Minus 99. 99 into 100. 9900 into 3. So this minus 1 means what? 6 nines. Minus 00, 27 to 27 plus 2, 29. You have to subtract 0, 0, 9, 7, 9, 2. 9, 9, 2, 0, 7, 9. So your 99 cube is equal to 970299. I think you understood today's lessons. So again we meet tomorrow with some more examples. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you for watching the video.